Good morning everyone. Welcome back to grade 3 mathematics class. So today we'll start a new chapter, chapter 4, multiplication. So what is multiplication? Multiplication means the same number is added to itself a number of times. Look at this example. Here you can see the number 3. 3 is added how many times? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is added to itself 5 times and we get the answer 15. So in terms of multiplication, we can write this as the number 3 is repeatedly added to itself 5 times. So we can write 3 into 5 is equal to 15. And we say multiplication is actually repeated addition. Now, look at this multiplication fact once again. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. And this number 3 is the multiplicand here, 5 is the multiplier here, and the answer 15 is the product here. So, let's look at the terms once again. What is multiplicand? The number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. And what is multiplier? Multiplier means the number with which we are multiplying. The number by which the multiplicand is multiplied is called the multiplier. Now what about product? The result or the answer of the multiplication is called the product. Let's see some properties of multiplication. Now the first property, the property of 1. What does it say? It says that when a number is multiplied by 1, the product is always the number itself. We know 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. See, in all the cases, when it's multiplied by 1, we get the number itself. That means the number exists there only one time and that equals the number itself. Here are a few more examples. 8 ones are, or 8 into 1 is equal to 8 and 58 into 1 is equal to 58, which is the number itself. Now, what is the second property? The property of 0. So, what is the property of 0? It states that when a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. So, when it's actually multiplied by 0, the number does not exist there, right? So, 7 into 0 equals 0. Here is one more example. 27 into 0, which is equal to 0 itself. Now, we'll do an activity based on these properties of multiplication. Look at these questions given here. The first one, 22 into 0. We know any number multiplied by 0 gives 0 itself. And what is 54 into 1? Any number multiplied by 1 gives the number itself. Now, see, 64 into 0. So, any number into 0 gives 0. Now, question D, 74 into dash gives you 74. See, we don't know this number, but the product is the number itself. So, what should come here? Here, it should be 1, right? So, 74 into 1 gives you 74. Then, 98 into dash gives you 0. So, the product is 0 and we have one of the numbers. For the product to be 0, what should come here? The multiplier should be 0, right? Now, question F, 132 into 0. Any number into 0 gives 0 itself as the product, right? You have to go to the Let's Recall page in page number 52 and 53 of your textbook. Before that, you have to get thorough with the multiplication tables of 1 to 6. The first 10 multiples are enough, but make sure you get thorough with the multiplication table or the times table of 1 to 6. And once you have done that, in the Let's Recall page, you can see this question. This is question number 2. It's a grid. It's a very simple one. You just have to multiply this number with this number with this, like that. You complete the grid. Once you are thorough with the multiplication tables, this will be very easy for you. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye.